Qi massage activates the Qi in your body along all the meridian lines that run through the entire body. So let's go ahead and make soft fists and tap on the center of the chest, going up and down your sternum. And you can just take deep breaths in through your nose, exhale out through your mouth, bringing some energy to your heart, activating a gland that's just behind your breastbone, which benefits your immune system. Good, and your digestive system is also an important part of your immune system as well. Good, stretch one arm out. Bring the opposite hand to the corner of the chest, just below your collarbone, and tap on the corner of your chest again, activating those lung points. And now we'll tap down the inside of your arm, tapping along your lungs, your pericardium, and your heart meridian. So we're going to go down the inside of the arm, all the way down to your wrist. And then we tap along the back of your arm, along the small intestine, large intestine, and your triple warmer meridians. So we go down with the yin meridians, up with the yang. One more time. And let's tap on the chest. Let's go over to the other side. Corner of the chest. Lung 1 and 2 on the left side. And let's go down those yin meridians of your forearm. And then up the yang along the back. And truly tapping with an amount of pressure that's comfortable for you. And try to really tap with the bulk of your palm, a little bit more than your fingers, to really engage the tissues. Let's tap on the chest again. And now let's go down to your solar plexus. So tap over your solar plexus, alternating taps. So tapping over this middle portion of your large intestines, your transverse colon, and then going down right over your navel, more in the area of the small intestines, right? And then just below your navel. And then we can tap just along the pathway of the large intestines. So I'm going to my right and then up and over. So you go to your right, below your navel, and then up the side, and then across, and then down. So I'm going in my direction of my, and so I want you to go in the direction of yours as well. Normally I try to mirror you, but this time I want to encourage the smooth flow of my digestion as well by going with the natural flow. Good, and let's go over the navel again. Slow it down. And just rest your palms on top of your navel. You can close your eyes for a moment and just feel the energy activated in your body. I don't know about you, but I'm sensing, I'm feeling my body saying, thank you, thank you, thank you for doing this for me. Beautiful. Just going to move my microphone over a little bit. Soft fists. Tap over your lower back. Right over your kidneys, right over the door of life. And then tap down to your sacrum and your tailbone. And then up again to the low back. Good. Now with your palms of your hands, tap on the lower back. And then tap down the back of your legs, going all the way down to your heels. And then tap up the inside of your legs all the way up to the front of your hips. Right in your abdominals and around to the sides and to the lower back again, tapping down as you bend forward. Get that wonderful stretch in your legs again. And then tapping up. So going down with the yang meridians of the legs in the back, and then coming up the yin meridians, the legs. Good. And then relax your arms down. You can close your eyes for a moment and just breathe. And again, just feeling the energy activated within your body. Okay.